How to hide your online status on WhatsApp. On this video, I'll show you the easy method to hide your online status on WhatsApp. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Before proceeding, make sure your WhatsApp Messenger app is up to date. If not, then you have to go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for WhatsApp. If there is update button next to WhatsApp Messenger, that means your app needs to be up to date. For that, tap on update button and wait for a while until the app is updating. Once the app is fully updated, you have to open the WhatsApp Messenger app. And once you get access to this page, you need to log into your account. Then select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the settings option. This will let you access to the settings page of WhatsApp where you have to select accounts, or you can also select privacy. And here under who can see my personal info, select last seen in online. If you have set to everybody, you have to change it to nobody. And who can see when I'm online, you need to select same as last seen. Now this will hide your online status and last seen on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.